So 6-3 is writing equations of lines in all forms. You're going to go from slope to standard to point slope. The beauty of knowing how to do all three forms is depending on what information is where you start. So if I have a slope and a point, or a point and a slope, I'm going to start here, especially if I have to go here, because it will, from here, I can go to the other places. So I'm going to do point slope. So remember, it's y minus the point equals m times the x minus the other point, right? So I'm going to do y minus 1 equals negative 1/2 times x minus negative 4. And I'm going to have y minus 1 equals negative 1/2 x plus 4. Okay, this is my point slope, correct? Actually, this is going to be my point slope because I don't want a minus negative in my final answer. Okay? From here, I'm going to come to this one, and I'm going to use this information, and I'm going to use this information to, I had to add my parentheses back. I'm going to use my information to transfer it. So this is y minus 1. I'm going to distribute 1/2 x. This is going to be negative 2. Going to add 1 to both sides. Y equals negative 1/2 x minus 1. I now have it in slope-intercept. And then I'm going to take slope-intercept and I'm going to come to standard. So I'm going to start with here. The only problem with using this to go to here and here to go to here is if you make a tiny mistake here, it's going to come through all of them. So the first thing I'm going to do is multiply by 2. So that's 2y equals negative x minus 2. This time I'm going to pull my x by adding x to both sides, plus 2y equals negative 2. Leading coefficient is a whole number and positive, and this is in the form ax plus by equals c. So I have finished this problem. Horizontal line through negative 2, 8. Anytime I see horizontal, I'm going to write that acronym, and that's y equals a number, and so y equals 8, y equals 8, y equals 8. Vertical line, going to write that acronym. That says x equals a number, x equals negative 8, x equals negative 8, x equals negative 8.